How to fix creator account can't be private. On Instagram, in this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to fix creator account can't be private on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram mobile application. This is the main homepage as shown here. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your account's profile section. Once there, tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. This brings you to the settings and activity page of Instagram, where various management options are available. Scroll down through the list until you reach a section labeled Account Privacy. Tap on it, then attempt to enable the Private Account toggle. When you do, a pop-up will inform you that creator accounts can't be made private. Don't worry, here's how to fix that. Go back to the settings menu again, and this time scroll to the For Professionals section. Under this category, tap the option titled Creator Tools and Controls. A list of creator-related settings will appear. Scroll to the bottom of that list and tap the option named Switch Account Type. A menu will slide up from the bottom of your screen. From it, select the option labeled Switch to Personal Account. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm. Once the account has been changed to a personal type, return to the settings page and tap Account Privacy again. Now, when you toggle on Private Account, it will work without showing the previous error message, and your account will be successfully made private. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to fix creator account can't be private on Instagram.